everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. Today is December 23rd, 2022, and I wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You may not see me between Christmas and New Year because hubby's going to be home and he's noisy and yeah, so I may not be able to videotape. So I wanted to come on here and just wish you all the best for 2023. Yeah, and I love you all, and I thank you so much for everything. This last year was amazing. Well, the 3 years I've been on here has been pretty amazing. You guys are so special to me, and I learn so much from you. I read every one of your comments, and I learn so much from you, and you guys give good suggestions, and it just really inspires me and also others who read your comments as well. So I really appreciate that, and I thank you so much for supporting my channel in so many different ways, just by watching my videos and sharing them, and you know, clicking like, commenting if you choose to. Yeah, so I just want to thank you. It's been a wonderful year, guys. So have a wonderful Christmas and a very Happy New Year.